Hi crafty friends, Shana from ShanoukiArt. I recently showed you my stopgap journal that I made for some travels that are coming up, and a lot of you asked for me to show you what I'll be taking with me as my craft supplies. This does look like overpacking, I know, but it all fits in the pencil bag I'm taking. So let me go through everything, and just to let you know the little charm that I had put on that I asked if it gave you a clue to where I'm going. It is the evil eye, and we are traveling to Greece. So my family is Greek. I'm of Greek heritage. My accent, I know, is South African because I was born and raised there, but I live in Australia. So a bit of a mix-up, but we are going to Greece with my family, and this is where I'm going to try and record all our adventures. And then what I'm taking with to be able to journal, I don't want to just write every day. I want to decorate it a little bit because this will be part of my final big travel journal. I've gotten this pencil bag. This is just off eBay. I just got it because it's smallish, but it fits quite a bit, and it's got different compartments. So what I'm going to do is I'll just show you what I'm going to be putting in. Yes, it's very spacious, and I'm going to be taking some ArtStacks markers. I'm sticking to colors of blues, greens, and a bit of red, sort of the like postal colors. Like when you think of like postal things, it's red and blue with a bit of green, and the blue will match my theme. I'll just show you on this paper. These are soft tip acrylic markers. You can write with them. I like making little hearts, so I thought I'll take these 4 colors of that. I'm taking some Posca pens too. They can make nice headings. Again, I'm taking colors that will suit my theme, and a black. I'm taking a green highlighter. I only have a green highlighter. I'm taking it just to add, if maybe that comes in handy. And then these fine liners, again in the same colors. These will also help to create some headings or just write things. And then I'm taking some gel pens. I love writing with gel pens. They just create a different, these are actually glitter gel pens, so they create a different kind of feel and effect. So I want to have sort of different, I don't want it all just to be, it will all be handwritten text, but I don't want it to be all looking the same. So I want to try and change it up with the pens I use. I'm also taking just a plain red pen. 2 fine liners. I've got a thin fine liner and a bit of a thicker one. This is a 0.6. These are the Artline ones. And then I'm taking just a regular black pen. This will probably be the one I use for the majority of the time. I'm taking a mechanical pencil and a regular pencil. And these are going to go on the side here. They sort of fit in. They don't all fit in, but I'll fit in as many as I can. They probably won't all stay in here as I'm taking them in and out. I'll probably get frustrated eventually and just put them all in the top. But for now, we can try and be organized and put them like that. So those will go in there. And then I'm also taking a scissors. Now this, although it's a small scissors, I'm not sure if I can take it on my carry-on luggage. I probably can because the blade is less than 5 inches or whatever I've read, but I'm just very nervous to be stopped by security. So this will just go in my check-in luggage, and I can take it out on the other side and pop it into my daily bag that I'm taking. So I'm taking a scissors, but it's not going to go into this bag for carry-on. I'm taking a sharpener, which will be for my pencil. That goes in there. A small glue stick. I'm taking a small ruler. A little stapler with staples, so you can staple little things inside the journal or things together. Unfortunately, it's not blue. I wanted everything to match, but we have a pink one. That'll do fine. I'm taking an eraser. Additional lead for my mechanical pencil. And then I'm taking some large paper clips. These are also available on eBay. I'm taking some small paper clips. I'm just thinking I can paper clip a lot of things to the pages or paper clip my ephemera together. I'm taking just one light bulb safety pin in case we need that. And small little bulldog clips. I'm hoping to collect a lot of things while I'm there. And then I'm also taking some washi tape. I've got 3 that I'm taking. This is a thinner one that is like that postal red and blue that I like. This one is more also like a postal type, which I think suits the theme. So I'm taking these 2. You can stick so many things on the pages with these, or even just decorate. And then I really like this one. This is a bit more Moroccan, I suppose, but the blues suit my idea of the journal, so I'll be using that. That'll go in the big pocket, and then these will go in the bottom. So I'm just going to zip this up because that's all that's going in here. Just close that, and we can close the top. See, it's very spacious. A lot of things fit in here. And then in the bottom we have another section. And in here, I'm going to be taking a few different things. So let me start. I'm taking some masking tape. I've just wrapped it around this card. I love using masking tape in my projects. I've got some masking tape. And then I've taken some other washi tape. This one is not self-sticking, or I don't even know what the word is. It doesn't stick on itself like sellotape. It has a backing, so it's more like a sticker. So I've taken some florals, my favorite one with the gold, a bit more of that one, because I can cut these flowers out and decorate the pages. I've taken some maps, some vintage script style, and then these that are paper clips, bulldog clips, and different vintage holders. And I'm just keeping that all together with another clip, and that will go in the bottom here. I'm also taking a whole lot of stickers, different ones. I'm probably not going to use all of these, but I've wanted a variety of different kinds of stickers. These all I got again from eBay. So I've got a butterfly, some different labels. There's like boarding passes, numbers, aeroplanes, special delivery, journey. Like I said, I'm not going to probably use all of these, but I thought I'll take a variety to be able to decorate my pages as I go. Some labels, some more butterflies, some vintage style. And those I'm just keeping in this, because otherwise they're just going to fall out. If I keep them directly in there, they'll probably just fall out every time I open it. So I want to just keep them together. I can just go through these when I want to find one that I need. I'll just pop these back in. Those will go in there too. And then I've got some little tags that I can add little bits to. I've got one white larger tag and 3 bigger tags that I'm going with, and just a little, I could write some notes in there, just matches the theme. I can pop that in there. I'm taking a couple of journal cards only because they sort of match the colors of my journal. I'm taking a small envelope, a white one, another piece of matching cardstock that I could use for something, a coffee stained envelope, and I love that it's all torn and worn. I love that look. And then I have a couple of these that are little acetate decorations or embellishments where they look like a photo frame or like a, it says record, looks a bit like a slide. I'm going to put those in. This just because it matches the color. I could tear these off and write on them and attach them. I love using paint sample cards. Then just one larger journal card that I could write on, and then some stickers in the vintage color, just different little sentiments. Now these will go, this I can actually fold in half. These will probably go in the journal because they're too big for the pencil bag. So I'm just going to pop these at the back of the journal or in some of the pockets. So we can zip this up. See how much this fits? It's actually pretty amazing. And it's soft, so it can fit into the bag. You can carry it like that, and it'll go with my journal. And I'll just pop these. I don't even know if they're actually going to fit. I haven't measured. Let's just see. I might actually put these into a little acetate. Maybe they can just all fit in here. There we go. Pop them in there. This can just go like that. There we go, easy peasy. Close that off. And we're ready to go. Hope you enjoyed that video of a really quick show of what I'm taking with me on my travels. That'll go separately. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified every time I upload new content. I'll see you again soon. Happy creating. Bye.